Pop here with kind of an apology. Kind of a show of respect. I had to re-roof my house. Didn't get to go to a job. Haven't been able to get in the shop at all. Memorial weekend, worked all the way through it. Been working from like 7 in the morning till 9 o'clock at night because I've got a big weather front that's coming at us. And I got to get my house put back together. We'll put a picture up of what the future cast of weather is. So, I don't get to play with a hot rod. But people subscribe to watch me. I gotta say, sorry. Not just, don't post anything. On the roof here, the old dump truck been getting its workout. That's just a little bit of trash. I know, I'm not a roofing channel. Probably nobody really gives a flying fiddly fart. But I took 10,400 pounds of roofing off of here from the 70s and 80s. Filled that truck 3 times. That truck performed excellent. But you see the weathercast. I'm going to turn this footage into the editor. I got to finish the roof. It's going to rain. I really wanted to go to Hutchinson this weekend and go to Hardcore Fab, check out their rat rod show. Not going to do that because as soon as I'm done with the roof, I got to do other work. So hopefully we'll get something better next time. Have a gooder.